You probably bought a replacement garbage disposal and you figured you just use the old cord off the old one, but now that you got it home, you can't figure out how to get that cord out of the old one. So the first part of this was to get a screwdriver in here and to remove this sort of little pin. Looks just like that. You just pull it out from the little notch in there. So then I found there was no way to get this thing out of there. It's designed to go in one way. So since I'm not going to use this anymore and just toss it, I took my 10 snips and just cut a chunk out of there so that I could simply slide it out. But as you can see, these little wings on the side of this thing will prevent it from backing out the way it came. They're too wide to fit in the notches. So that's how it's done. Before we begin any of this, make sure your unit is unplugged, and then don't ever try and wire this up without some sort of clamp in there to hold that cord in place. You don't want to knock it out accidentally and have live wires plugged into the outlet. If you don't have snips, you might have to go back to the store and get the power cord accessory kit, or for about the same price you could probably just buy some snips.